Okay, let's try something different.
Yun guys, no? So for today naman po guys, is try natin to guys. Ito pong MC box, no? Yung my career na box po natin, no? Napakaangas ito guys. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, unlimited money na nga po yan, no? So let's go guys. Try na nga po natin, MC box. Yun, no? So ito yung kalaban nila, yung Houston Rockets. Yan, click natin advance. Yun, no? Milwaukee Bucks versus Houston Rockets. Click natin yung play. Yun, no? Milwaukee Bucks versus Houston Rockets. Toyota Center. Grabe yung court, no? Toyota Center. Yun, no? Damian Lillard. Sorry, official. Brook Lopez, oh. Ano siya to guys? Antetokounmpo and Bobby Portis. Milwaukee Bucks yun guys. Dito naman sa may Houston Rockets, center Vanvleet at Jalen Green. Steven Adams, oh. Dylan Brooks and Alperen Sengun. So start na natin to guys. Napakaangas na ito guys. Ganda ng ring, ganda ng court. Dito, pasa mo naman dito sa akin. Ito dito. Nice one. You know. Shoot mo, nice one, counted. Uy, sa atin ang unang score. Diba, may fall pa sa akin. Siyempre shoot natin na yan. Shoot mo na, nice one. Baba. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel guys, kung nasa YouTube channel po kayo, click mo po yung subscribe. Kung nasa ano naman po kayo guys, click mo po yung follow, no? Dito. Dito. Pasa mo saan dito? Do. Nice one. Hey. Pasa nyo dito. Taas. Uy. Oops.
VanVleet.
Uy. Nice. Ito ng bola.
And the Bucks with possession.
I had a chance to talk with head coach Mike Budenholzer.
Pass to Lillard.
Ito napasa ko. Nice one.
Gets it to go.
You know, something else with him, you can't forget about his skill as a pull-up shooter. I mean, you give him too much room and he won't hesitate for a second to raise up.
Nice. Sa akin dito. Basta mo na. Nice.
Charity slip shot. That's good.
Diba?
You know, he'll make you
scratch your head and throw your hands up as a defender. I mean, you just don't know how to play. Okay, todo bantay lang. Oops.
Brooks outside. Brooks left
side.
For three. Can't get
nice one. So, hindi naman tayo bakaw pero oops. Uy, tumapal pero foul. So, yung ganda na sana ng ano, na-ankle break na sana siya. Uy, isa pa. Pinasok na yan.
So he comes up empty at the
line. Ayan nga pala. Kumatali.
And so it's Houston with it.
Oops.
From downtown. Cannot hit.
Taas.
Here's Antetokounmpo. And that's off the glass and in.
Poke shot ah. Oops. Uy, sobrang sabay pa tayong dalawa. So dito nga guys, kung gusto niyo po yung game na to, dyan lang po yung link sa my pin comment section guys, no? Nasa YouTube channel kayo guys, click nyo po yung subscribe ko. Nasa Facebook page nyo po, click nyo po yung follow guys. Dito mo na yan, pasa mo sa kanya. Ayan, nice one. Sumabay pa yung dalawa. Sablay pa na tayo.
Terrific defense right there to prevent from converting in close.
Oops. Uy. Nice ito. Pasa mo sa akin. Papasa mo sa akin dito. Nice.
And here in the first, about 3 minutes in.
You know.
Jump shot. That's
Nice
good.
one.
He's got 7.
Wala kami score dito.
Kaya
niya pabatin.
Timeout call
Oops.
for Rockets.
Nangyari. Timeout. Gagi, napaka-centerpiece Milwaukee Bucks.
And the Bucks making a change.
Guys, nung bago para kayo sa atin sa guys, nasa please click na lang kayo subscribe button, notification bell para update kayo sa ating mga latest na video guys, no? Nasa Facebook page naman kayo guys, click nyo po yung follow, okay?
And welcome back to the NBA on 2K Sports. More action in store as the players get ready to go, having a nice break to get hydrated with Gatorade. We're seeing a tremendous game from Damian Lillard. And it's the Rockets with the ball, trailing by 5. 6 to shoot. Brooks outside. From downtown. That's good.
You know, it looks like despite the injury he's got, he's still able to deliver, and that's what he's showing us right now.
Oops.
Ripped away.
And guys, so ganito na lang po yung video natin guys, no? So, kita po tayo sa next na video guys, at God bless po sa atin.
And he was fine on the way up. 2 free.
Okay, let's try something different.